Good morning, everyone. Today is May 8, 2025, and we have a pre-bid conference for 8 projects. Before we start, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Engineer Henry John Benson, back member, Engineer Ruth Imperial, back DPWH, uh, Ms. Alma Miranda, from back SEC, Engineer Aubrey Mercader, Engineer William Serrano, Engineer Melissa Biton, and yours truly, Engineer Brgy sa Barangay. So, uh, the first project will be discussed by Engineer Melissa Biton.
Project ID 25667. Project title is CSSP Basic Infrastructure Program DIP. Multi-purpose buildings, facilities, and support social services. Construction completion of multi-purpose building phase 2 Taysan Resettlement Integrated School. Barangay 56 Taysan, Legazpi City, Alba. The scope of work is completion of multi-purpose building works include earthworks, civil works, plumbing works, masonry works, electrical works, and finishing works. The approved budget for the contract is 6,928,392 for every project. The project location is in Legazpi City, Albay, and the project duration is 150 weeks. And here's the perspective of the Taysan Agreement. The next project, project ID 25FB0074, project title 002, Protect Lives and Properties Against Major Floods, Flood Management Program, Construction Maintenance of Flood Mitigation Structures and Drainage Systems, Construction of Riverbank Protection Works and Drainage System Structures along Barangay Padang, River Main, Upstream Section, Package 1, Padang, Legazpi City. The scope of work, construction of 53 linear meters, reinforced concrete dike resting on steel sheet pile foundation, and 30 linear meter ground steel. The approved budget for the contract is 34,298,895 and 0.08 cents. Project location is at Legazpi Albay, with project duration of 140 calendar days. For the height of the dike, as shown in the typical detail, the height is 8 meters. Next, project ID 25FB0075, project title CSSP Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps, SIPAG, Flood Mitigation Structures, Protecting Major Strategic Public Buildings Facilities, Construction of Flood Mitigation Structure along Yawa River, Package 1, Barangay Mantagbak, Kilicao, Daraga. Scope of work, construction of 185 linear meter reinforced concrete dike resting on steel sheet pile foundation. Approved budget for the contract is 48,998,899 and 36 cents. Project location is at Daraga Albay with project duration of 170 calendar days. The height of dike as shown is 8 meters.
For project ID 25.2076, project title CSSP, Sustainable Infrastructure Project, 15 officers in fact. So again, the Mitigation structure protecting major strategic public buildings and safety. Construction of drainage system structure along Borgado Road, Barangay Bogon, Legazpi. The scope of work includes 0.78 kilometers of road concrete and 290 millimeters of the approved budget for the contract is 8,818,456. The location of the project is at Legazpi, Albay. The project duration of 150 days. The typical details of said project is as follows. For project ID 25W0077, project manager, CSSP, Sustainable Infrastructure Project, is alleviating gaps for CPAG, flood mitigation structures with major strategic public buildings or facilities, construction, upgrading of drainage system from Barangay Roque, Resettlement, and Santa Cruz section Daraga. The scope of work is 150 meters of 1.25 by 1 meter RCPC drainage, 177 meters, 1.5 by 1 meter RCPC drainage. The approved budget for the contract is for 8,698,459 pesos. The location of the project is at Daraga Albay with project duration of 190 days. The typical details for the said project is as follows. For project ID, contact at research 7 project manager, CSSP, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps, or SIPAG, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings facilities. Construction of Barangay Yawa, Barangay DPWH, Barangay Yawa, and Legazpi. The scope of work is 0.3693 kilometers of road, 0.738 kilometer of road trucking, 738 kilometer of type of canal, 20 pieces or sets of street lines. The approved budget for the contract is 19,598,440 pesos. Location of the project is at Legazpi City Albay with project duration of 231 calendar days. For the typical details of the said project, is as follows. For project ID 2023-0079, project title, CSSP, Sustainable Project and Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps, or CPAG, flood mitigation structures protecting major strategic public building facilities, construction of drainage system along Barangay 38, Barangay Legazpi. The scope of work is 40-60 kilometer road, 158.74 lane meters of road concrete, 225 linear meter of light. The approved budget for the contract is 5,878,383.67 pesos. The location of the project is at Legazpi City of Albay, with project duration of 128 calendar days. For the typical details of the said project, is as follows.
Next is for project ID 25FB0080. Project title CSSP Basic Infrastructure Program 2018. Multipurpose buildings facilities to support social services. Construction completion of multipurpose building covered work. Barangay Butong, Recorado, and Mary. The scope of work is completion of multipurpose building works include earthworks, civil works, plumbing works, masonry works, electrical works, and finishing works. The approved budget for the contract is 6,928,051 pesos and 42 centavos. The project location is at Recorado, Albay, and the project duration is 180 calendar days. And here is the perspective of the two-story multipurpose building.
So that ends our review for today. Thank you very much.